ओह नो, काली बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई, शिट। चलिए उधर से चलिए। अरे यार ऐसे तो नहीं मम्मी, क्या होता है ऐसे, भगवान बचा लियो। Hello, it is day 8 in Turkey and we have arrived in Antalya. It's 12 p.m. right now and the weather is bright and sunny and we're excited to explore this beachy area. We are heading to our sorry, I got distracted. We are heading to the parking lot to get our car and then we're gonna go have lunch, head to our hotel, check in and then leave for the beach. यहाँ पे चाय नाश्ता चल रहा है जब तक कि गाड़ी आए। बिस्किट निकाले जा रहे हैं, चाय पानी हो रहा है और ये हमारा सामान, एक सेकंड, हाँ, और ये हमारा सामान पड़ा हुआ है, गाड़ी का वेट कर रहे हैं। तब तक थोड़ा चाय कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, उसके बाद हम जाएंगे खाना। Hello, we have reached our hotel. We went for lunch at Bombay Masala. Food wasn't that great, but ठीक है, मतलब इंडियन मिल गया. Chicken was nice. I didn't quite like the biryani, but yes, now we've checked into our hotel. I'll give you a quick room tour. So you enter and that's the bathroom. That's me again. And then there are 2 twin beds for the 2 of us. यहाँ पे चाय पानी नाश्ता एंड द व्यू। अरे खोलो कैसे, खोलो।
ओ गाइस सॉरी,
खोलो।
करना पड़ा हमें, बीच में कुछ तो बोला हमने।
वाह मनु, डोंट गो क्रेजी, बाहर कोई खड़ा है।
क्या व्यू है भाई, यहाँ पूरा पानी है, दिख नहीं रहा तुम्हें क्या? गाइस जूम इन करने दो। ये तुम्हारी ब्लॉगर इतनी घटिया ना गई।
यहाँ नीचे किसी और, वो कोई और रही है। क्या बोलते हैं, होटल का पानी स्विमिंग पूल है जो कि खाली पड़ा है। Wow. And here's a quick haul of everything that we got. These pink wrapper thingies have a few magnets and keychains. I got this one keychain and one earring and one clay mask because we got a clay mask at the spa the other day and it was really nice, so I got one. And ये देखो, ये ज़बरदस्ती की vlogging। साइन तुमने दिखाओ तो क्या क्या लिया है। She also got 2 accessories, both evil eye क्योंकि इसको नज़र लग जाती है।
I got this evil eye bracelet. And I got this evil eye necklace.
और ये दोनों इसने evil eye लिया है। This is a clip from the Lara beach and it was very pretty during sunset, but surprisingly it was very empty. Like we hardly saw any people. There were a few shacks, but again empty. So we didn't really do anything, just walked around, clicked a few pictures, enjoyed the weather. It was quite windy, but the view was pretty. So yeah. Quick backstory. So we went to this one restaurant for dinner and no one could understand English, so we were using translator and it was actually a fun time because you were laughing, trying to explain to them what you mean, but in hindsight also very weird because we didn't know the language, they didn't know English. So that was one problem that we faced in Antalya. Not a lot of people were able to speak English. क्या बोला?
किस चीज में हाँ बोलेंगे?
YouTube video. Say hi. Say hi.
tamam sıkıntı yok. Abi yok. Sıkıntı falan burası.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem. भाई सब हुआ है।
TikTok fenomenal.
16 क्या बोला?
16 milyon adayı TikTok. Ciğer Gül. TikTok.
We are asking them what is this.
16
हाँ
Abi bulgur yazıyor.
मम्मी वो इंग्लिश नहीं समझे।
हाँ बुलगुर भी।
बुलगुर क्या होता है? बुलगुर भी। We are using translation because
English classes on WhatsApp. Domates var değil mi salçanın? Domates var o değil mi? Tabii tabii. Lan, yes.
1,000 a month, 2,000 a month. हम खा रहे हैं रिकॉर्डिंग
We're trying a dessert by the way. Some firni but Turkish style. क्या? मुझे भी दिखाओ. What is it?
meatballs.
Raw meatballs?
चिकन
Wait, what?
No.
Okay.
Etsiz. Etsiz yazsana öyle.
क्या हो रहा है?
Meat नहीं है, but they're called raw meatballs.
मज़ा ही आ गया guys. पकड़ो. हम लोग भी dessert try करेंगे. Dessert. चाय पी. Oh, by the way, this is Turkish tea. If the vlogger hasn't shown you.
Here I have another clip from a breakfast place. Again, I unfortunately do not remember the name, but their food was really good. Like, we really enjoyed everything that we ordered. My omelette, mushroom omelette, is not to be seen, but it was amazing. And this is a clip from the next day where we went to the Travertines in Pamukkale. An absolutely stunning place, a must visit. Just look at the number of people dipping their legs in water in the Travertines and just enjoying the beauty. Hello, it's our last day in Antalya. Today, tomorrow morning we are flying to Istanbul, and I'm flying directly from there back to Frankfurt. We are here at this restaurant called Roka Restaurant. The vibe is very nice, and they also have this wall where people have written messages, and another wall with currencies from all around the world. And we have ordered wraps and a few salads, which I think they call tabak. And with that, we also got 2 drinks, and apparently, the Fanta tastes a little different from what we have in India. But the Sprite is technically the same, which is not the case in Germany, because in Germany, Sprite tastes very different, and I don't know about Fanta because I haven't tried it. But let me show you my face as well. एक सेकेंड कैमरा थोड़ा noob vlogger. Now you can see myself. Okay, now I'll show you when the food comes by. We have gotten our orders. ये अभी relocation dislocation हो रहा है ताकि सानू फोटो खींच सके. This is La Romba tabak. This is Gonzaleb tabak. This is Oriental chicken wrap, and mine is eggplant falafel wrap. I hope it's good. While walking back from the Roka place to our car, we found this one place and wanted to get baklava, so we entered and just look at the colors. Just enjoy the colors in the store. Beautiful. So after dinner, we were walking across an ice cream store to our car, and there was this one Turkish ice cream for fellow, you know, that thing where they play with you with the ice cream cone until they finally give it to you. So he was like, Bahubali, idhar aao. And we were entering a store to get baklava. So mom was like, oh no, Kali Billi rasta kaat gayi, shit. चलिए उधर से चलिए. अरे यार ऐसे तो नहीं मम्मी, क्या होता है ऐसे. भगवान बचा लियो. और बिल्लियाँ लड़ रही हैं वहाँ पे. बाय गॉड, बहुत बिल्लियाँ हैं यहाँ पे फिर से. ओ माय गॉड. हाँ ठीक है, वी वर टेलिंग अबाउट दैट टर्किश फेलो. सो ही वाज लाइक बाहुबली इधर आओ. तो मम्मी कहती है नो बाहुबली, नो बाहुबली. एंड देन वेंट टू द टर्किश स्टोर, सॉरी, टू चेक बकलावा. फिर हम आके व्हेन वी वर क्रॉसिंग दैट स्टोर, ही वाज लाइक कटरीना इधर आओ, कटरीना इधर आओ. एंड दैट वाज लिटरली सो फनी बिकॉज बाहुबली तक तो मुझे हंसी आई थी, बट देन कटरीना, नॉट इवन कटरीना, कटरीना इधर आओ. That was even more funny, or that was funnier if I am supposed to use the correct English. So yeah, I wanted to talk about that because this happened quite a lot in Istanbul also, in Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar and such places where these people knew quite a lot of Hindi words and they were calling you by luring you with these words. So I remember another one where we stopped at a store and we were asking this guy ki how much does something cost, and he was like 900 lira. So you know, they've learned Hindi ka proper numbers as well. Like lot of them were like namaste or something कुछ कुछ तो बोल रहे थे. Like basic इधर आओ बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे. But he knew counting in Hindi as well. So that was quite interesting. There's another guy at this Turkish thing calling people कि आइसक्रीम ले लो आइसक्रीम ले लो आइसक्रीम. हाँ हाँ तो हाँ अब हम जा रहे हैं गाड़ी में because we have to go to our hotel and sleep early because we are supposed to wake up early and catch a flight at 7:30 in the morning. So we need to be at the airport by 5:30 and if you are with my dad even earlier. So yeah, that was it. क्या इधर से थोड़ी आएगी उधर उधर ट्रैक है उसका. So yeah, that was it for the vlog. I don't know if I'll vlog tomorrow once we are parting at the airport, Istanbul airport, because I'm going to Frankfurt and these guys are staying in Istanbul for another day. So yeah, until next time when you see them in my vlog again, say bye. वो लोग आगे चल रहे हैं, उनसे पार्किंग लॉट में बाय कराती हूँ और मेरे हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द हो रहा है. So I'll see you in 2-3 minutes. Say bye to my vlog until we meet the next time.
So here you could see the beautiful artifacts or murals at the parking lot, which is something very unusual, and we hardly get to see a parking lot beautifully designed or maybe decorated so nicely. See the pottery thing on display, which is equally beautiful and different.
अरे यार बाय नहीं हो पा रहा. ये देखो गाड़ी पे कैसे बिल्ली सो रही है. हम जस्ट अभी लिफ्ट से निकले और बिल्ली ऐसे गाड़ी पे सो रही है. For the final goodbye, if you have watched till the end, don't forget to comment happy anniversary and wish my parents because it was their 25th anniversary a few days ago. So yeah, I will see you next time.